This is the worst turning Rubik's Cube in my collection. As you can see, this cube is absolutely tiny compared to a normal one. So I actually got this Rubik's Cube in an advent calendar, along with all of these. These all came from an advent calendar of fidget toys, although this doesn't feel like a fidget toy. It feels like a stress toy that creates stress. Just trying to turn this thing is absolutely abominable. Yeah! So without further ado, I'm going to do a solve. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, we are finally on PLO. What case did we get? Please be good. We got a T-perm, I can do this. Oh my god, my wrists, they hurt. Come on, we're approaching a minute. Please, get sub-minute. Yes, we got a sub-minute. I hate this cube.